into How to Build an All-Weather Portfolio, Part 4, Spider Gold Shares, ticker symbol GLD. We're on ibillionaire starting this out. We're going to go check out how the all-weather portfolio has performed in the last 12 months. Here we go. Here is the last 12 months performance right here. 14.92%. Let's check out how the S&P has performed in the last 12 months. Okay, we're on Yahoo Finance and we're looking at SPY 12 month, and it's up 1%, 1.70% year to date. So it looks like the all-weather portfolio is doing better than the market average. Okay guys, let's jump into how do we build the all-weather portfolio. Okay guys, we are still sticking with the article from Tony Trend, Ray Dalio's all-weather portfolio quick start guide. All these articles will be linked in the description below. Let's get into this. Okay, how do I build an all-weather portfolio? Guys, just to remind you guys, let's do a little recap of where we are in this. There is a 30% of this portfolio is Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF, VTI. There's 40% iShares, 20 plus year treasuries, ticker symbol TLT. 15% of this portfolio is 7 to 10 year treasury bonds. That's going to be IEF. Today we're going over the 7.5% Spiders Gold Shares ETF, ticker symbol GLD. Next we will cover the 7.5% Power Shares DB Commodities Index Tracking Fund, ticker symbol DBC. Okay, let's get into this. GLD. Okay guys, we're on Yahoo Finance. We're actually on GLD. Let's look at what it's doing today. Today is actually up. But let's look at what the holdings are so we can figure it out inside of our all-weather portfolio. Okay guys, we're on the holdings of ticker symbol GLD. We're trying to figure out what's in here. Basically trying to get some more information. This is the deep dive for the all-weather portfolio. Okay, it looks like the only thing this has in it, no bonds, is covering 100% gold assets. It says its name is going to be Gold Trust, and it's 100% backed by gold. Wow, that is awesome. So let's figure out what the Gold Trust is. Who's all involved in the Gold Trust? Let's check this out. Okay, so I found this right here is the Gold Trust. And I'm going to leave this link in the description below. But basically, it is saying that it goes over taxes. It goes over who's involved with this. It goes over LLCs. It is a lot. It's like 36 pages. You will get the link in the description below if you want to know more about who owns the Gold Trust. But in short, I would just like to say it is a lot. It's really a lot. I was reading through some of this and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to post this on here so you guys can kind of check it out. There's a lot of moving pieces in here, but just know that it is 100% backed by gold for the most part. So, guys, let me know what you think about this section of the all-weather portfolio. Are you happy that it's backed by 100% gold? Are you interested in knowing if this gold is leveraged? Can people actually withdraw their gold from this trust? Some of the things that I like to ask is this backed by physical gold or is this backed by just paper gold? You know, looking through this, I know that all paper gold should be backed by physical gold, but I do know that Robert Kiyosaki always says that they do seem to sell gold to one person and sell that same gold to another person when it comes to paper gold. But reading through this right here, you'll get a bigger perspective of what's going on. Guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe. If you made it this far, hit that like button. Guys, I guess I'll be talking to you later.